Hello guys and welcome back. Yes, I was just walking past this random condo, as you do, max value downstairs, and they've got all these vans. Let's go and check these vans out. Okay, so here we're going to have a crepe van. That's what you call them, crepe. Over here, some noodles. Pad Thai. Oh, good. And this one over there is a burger van. How about that? Go and have a burger. I ordered a double pork cheese. Yeah. Okay, one. Double pork with cheese. Not bad. Coffee. Hello. Have a green tea. Come back. Check the burger out. Okay, so that came to 140 prices there. Euros, dollars, pounds. What we're gonna do, go and have a green tea. Milk green tea, chakio, mai sai nam tam, kapung kap. Okay, there we have it. A nice burger and a green tea. All we need to do now is find somewhere to sit down. Which, yeah, I might know a place. Oh, that's alright. Nice. Let's check this burger out. Okay, so there it is. 140 baht. Let's see what it's like. alright actually. Not bad. Not bad at all. Nice little find that. Yeah. Right, now we have it guys, all gone. I'll tell you what, that was really good. For 140 baht, it's a lot better than Subway or McDonald's. A lot better. And it's freshly made as well. So if you like videos like that, give it a like and a subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later my friends.